Hello dear students, good morning. In this video today we are going to learn the sound of S. So what is the sound of S? So let's do the action of the sound S. Okay. So the action of the sound S is like this. You have to make a snake with your hand and move like this. Okay. So let's start. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Okay, let's do again. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. You have to do the practice of the sound S with the action many times. Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.